We're working through over 30 videos on the BERNINA L850 serger, and I'm going to show you actually how to take the presser foot off right now. Now do remember, when you do lift it up, it will swing out of the way, so that is nice when you are working on getting things threaded or you're trying to kind of catch something that needs a little help getting through that area. But to take the foot off, you can reach back here. There's a little red button, and when you push it towards you, it'll just drop the foot off. Now right now there are not extra accessories available for this serger. That's just because it's that new, but BERNINA usually makes a small handful of feet that will probably be available shortly, that you will exchange by taking off your standard foot and then sliding this back into position, and just set this kind of claw area over the top of that little silver bar. If you kind of just line it up and then lower the presser foot on, it will then reattach the foot. So whether you're taking this off for just helping get things clean, don't forget to clean and oil this serger. We have a video for you on how to do that. You're taking these screws off, getting underneath the throat plate, or just even swinging out that foot for easy use. But watch for your additional feet that are optional. You can purchase those through your local BERNINA store.